Yes, my people, they're upon a project, another plumbing project, So I'll show you what's happening. Wisdom, one plumber. Yeah, my people, so this is what we uncover, So these are the connection. So based on what we're seeing, so it's a 5/8 connector here, so right, that pipe here look like 1/2 inch. The blue pipe here look like PEX, and then this is a 1/2 inch connection. So what we are planning for those people is see if we can get something for change here, so change the connection here, so because you realize I right between here, so I crack the right panda fit in here. I look like a reducer. So 1/2 inch to 5/8 reducer. Then it connect to the 5/8 nut here. Right. So like a screwing or a compression fitting. So we have an idea in our brain. Right. If I have an idea to stop the water once me unscrew this. But me I work out something in my brain first. So I might use, as much as I don't like it, a female adapter. Here, so I like female adapters, people. But if I can't find anything else to go around it, I'll do it. Alright, my people, so they here just go disconnect what is there and see what's happening, my people. Alright, people, so realize now disconnect what is there. So at this part of the video, I was just thinking in my mind to use a compression coupling to replace the reducer on the broken main here. See, I'm measuring it up and I'm actually going to cut it out now. So at this time I am doing my best to reduce water wastage. So what I've done, I use this stick to bung it, stop the water from coming out of the pipe, and actually fitting the ferrule from the compression coupling over the stick and then slide it down and hopefully get it over the pipe. I just slide on the rubber. over a pipe. You see what I'm doing, people. Body. Slide up back the compression nut now and tighten. I'll bail out some of the water and dash in. Just untighten. In the next part now, slide on the compression nut on the section with the valve, the globe valve. And what I really want to do, people, is just to stop the water flow from that side of first before I do anything else. So see plan here. So I'm going to cut this. Cut this here, so. Alright, so cut that right there, so. So the meter pretty much out now. So drop her on the nut here. Then drop her on the ferrule here. I pull out the piece of stick now. And then tighten. Make it go and flow through until I untighten them section here. And what I'm going to do is turn off the water slowly. Alright, so I have the water under control now. So that's the good part. Alright. And what I'm going to do is bend this now to match back to this. I connect up back the metering section. Let me just connect back this. So just to make arrangements to connect back the meter now. As I said, just a little digging. Just to free up the area around. Okay, make a connection. So I make the attachment to the house side now. So just using the trusty pipe cutter. The snip makes work easy. So just making the joint now. So I'm now preparing the connection for the meter to the supply main to the house. Just washing off any dirt or debris on the pipe. Always put a piece of pipe in at the end of the coupling or any other type of fitting, especially when you're going to tighten it. You don't want the fitting to crack. Put the piece of pipe in it, what the pipe actually do is create more surface area on the inside, more strength. And you like that tighten. And there, take your time and tighten. And my people, so see the end result there. You know, so shabby still, but could have looked better. As me say, everything here down here I approve. Check out that video there when it pop out, and also the other upcoming videos that you will see. And remember to like, share, and also to subscribe, people. One plumber.